So here we have an Ihagee Exakta VxIIb. If yours comes with a case, then great. It's a fairly hefty camera. Let's see how heavy it is. It's around 1.2 kilograms. So to get the case off, just move this to things here, and then put this back. So this is how you have it with the lower leather case. To remove that, just unscrew this. You end up with the camera here. So to test if you have a working camera, so to test the lens, set the aperture to your smallest. So set it for this one, to set it to 22, f22, right here, and press the shutter button. See if it closes down or not. You'll see that it does. That's good. To test the shutter if it's shooting properly, just cock the shutter like this. Focusing. Set it to, let's set it to bulb. And then shoot. Just open up the rear of the camera to see if the shutter curtain's opening. So cock the shutter, rot bulb. So let's press it. Shutter curtains open up. Aperture's at f22, so that's the smallest, and you're good. So let's set it to the widest.